Hey everybody, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. I am here to set up my April monthly spread in my Hobonichi Weeks and I'm going to show you how I use this for a social media planner type of spread. And what I'm going to be using are my Spring Ink muted splatters. Gosh, my brain right now. And my Champagne Rose line leaves. So using stickers from all parts of my sticker shop collection. Let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do here is actually remove all of these little stickies, which help me plan out how I'm going to basically plan out my content for the month. And these stickies are from, where are they? They are the Memo Me sticky notes that I got from Stationery Pal, and I have lots. And I cut them into smaller strips like this so they fit into the Hobonichi Weeks. Okay, first thing I'm going to do is take one of these splatters, and the thing I'm using these is because these were my testers, and these didn't cut as well as I normally would like them to. Then I'll add this one, or I want the really big one. Yeah, the really big one. Can't believe we're in April already. I mean, January felt like it was 5 years long, whereas February, March, April, like February and March just felt so quick. But I'm also exhausted. And I haven't even done any traveling yet this year. My first bit of travel that I'll be doing this year, because I did so much last year, my first bit of travel is actually coming up in May, which I'm very excited for. I have the Chicago Pen Show coming up, and then a work retreat in California right after that. So I'm combining the two, which I'm very excited for. I'll put one more up here. Now these April or these monoline month stickers are actually available in my shop under, I guess, months 2.0 is what I call them. Okay, I'm going to probably put one more here because I'm trying to think if there's any other spaces that I could put a splatter without it taking up a ton of room, because that's the hard thing. Like I could put it on a Wednesday, but then it'll overlap onto a Thursday, and I put stuff up on Thursday. I could put it on a Friday. I could. I'm going to cut that in half and then put one part of it on Friday, and then the other part maybe on a Wednesday. So it looks like the ink splatters are coming from the grid. Oh, I like that. Something different. Oh, I like that. Okay. I'm going to leave these two for now, but then I'll add some of these throughout the spread. And then one last one here. My monthly spreads are really simple because for me, it's just about an overview of my social media, looking at what video content I'm going to post, and then in line with that, what photos I'm going to post on Instagram. So what I'm going to do then is I need blotting paper. I'm going to write IG and YouTube. I normally write them on every day, but I'm realizing that the days that I post are really only Tuesdays, Thursdays, Saturdays, and Sundays. And it's been nice to get into a good rhythm with that. I remember at one point in my YouTube and Instagram journey, I posted every day, sometimes twice a day. not just on Instagram, but on YouTube, posting, every single day I had a video out. And I remember my filming schedule for that was exhausting. I would spend almost all weekend filming and uploading, and it became like work. But I found a balance now where I know 4 videos a week to some people is a lot, but compared to what I used to do, 4 videos a week is quite manageable for me. And I enjoy it. I'm back at that place. Ooh, whoops, there we go. I'm back at that place where posting on social media is something that's fun for me. Okay, so I've written IG and YouTube, or Instagram and YouTube, on every day here. And then what I'm going to do, because there are some areas that I know exactly what I'm going to post. Now, because April Fool's Day is coming up, an idea that my husband and I had months ago is that he would do his fountain pen collection on that day, because it's, April Fool's Day. But really, this is his collection, which I have curated for him, and I clean his pens and I fill them up for him. But anyway, and then Tuesdays are just normally my week's plan with me. And it's funny how over the years my channel has transitioned from being more of a planner channel now to more about pens and inks. And I don't know exactly what happened there or why that happened. Hobo Weeks plan with me will now come out on Thursday that week. But I think it was partially due to the fact that I decreased the number of planners that I was using, but also, is that right? Or am I going to do the new release that day? Because if I do the new release on the 17th and the 15th, then 12th. Okay. I'm just looking through the dates here. Yeah, because I did the 13th. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So my timing's a little bit off because I thought I was going to do my new release on the 17th. Hold on. All right, I already made a mistake, but that is okay. That is why we have the wiper cream tape. And I like this because it is the cream color that the Hobonichi paper is, and it covers it up pretty nicely. I will have to write over that with a ballpoint pen though, or a gel pen, but that's okay. So that means my new release is happening here. My March, or my quarterly planner update, is coming here. And then, what did I say the 24th was? I'm doing 15 inks in 30 days again. And this is going to be days, or inks, 6 through 10. And then here will be my March ink progress update. And then a new pen day, which this pen has been on its way to me since like November. I'll tell you more about it then. Then inks, 15 inks. This will be days 1 through 5. On the 13th, I hope to do my Pilot Hiroshizuku, Ina Ho comparisons. Then Then this one will be my Ferris wheel press buttered popcorn comparisons. And then I was going to do, basically I could do that here, how I organize my inks. And then here we have all my green inks. Okay, feels like the month is already all planned out. Goodness gracious, in terms of content, which is great. And then these little stickies. Let's see, what will I move over? The new release, I can move over to here. Progress update, I can move to really the end of the month there. I haven't done much of a daily journal or a week in the life with me as of yet, or as much. Okay, these I do not need anymore. They're so helpful though when it comes to planning out my content. Okay, so now the last thing I'm going to do is actually write down on the side here what stickers I plan on using. So for the week of the 7th, I'll be using stickers from my April new release, which I have not planned out yet. And that's coming in 2 weeks' time. And then the midweek will probably be the Giving Girl. And then this week will probably be Let's Plan It. And then this week down here will be, I'm going to do, actually I haven't planned that yet, but I know the first week of April or that week will be According to Allie. Okay. It felt like a little bit of a chaotic monthly spread plan with me here, but I like the colors of that. I like the way that it looks. So for those who ask, these little clips, these smiley clips are from Cult Pens, and I get them every time I order, but you can actually order a pack of these from their shop. They're based in the UK. All right, so April looks like it doesn't have as many days that I can put out content in it, but then I look at May, and May is going to be a busy month as well because I'll be the Chicago Pen Show. I'll be away for a week, plus my new release. It's going to be a crazy month, crazy month. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you all so much for watching. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below. How do you guys use your monthly spread? I'm always interested to hear about what other people use their monthly spread for. And I've been using my monthly spread as a social media planner for, let's see, since 2021, so almost 3 years now, or over 3 years now, and I really enjoy this layout. Again, thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button and to subscribe. Thanks again, and have yourselves a great day.